Nā ki tā wāhi nai nei, he kai tito waiata Māori kai te mahitahi ki ētahi kaiwhakahaere puoro no Wērā ki te tuku kōrero āwhina. Tuku tautoko hoki e pāna ki ngā mahi whakarauora i te reo Wērā. Nei a Michael Cugley.
Koia nei ko te puoro rakatū ki Wērā.
Ka whawhai tonu, mātou ake, ake, ake.
Ā, kua hoki mai anō tēnei uri o Ngāti Maniopoto ki te wānanga i ngā āhuatanga o te puoro.
It feels like a really good continuation of what I guess I've been looking into with my research and also what Halftime's been doing just as a band. Yeah, it just feels great and yeah, really excited.
I te marama o hune, i rere atu te pēnea grant e kia nei ko Halftime ki Wērā ki te rena i te taukaia puoro take. I nā rawa te orite o ngā aupēhitanga e pāna ki ngā mātua o konei me te hunga rangatahi o reira.
They were sort of coming up through a period of time where their parents were facing a lot of the same prejudice in schools that our parents and our grandparents did. So I feel like by interacting with people in that scene a lot more, it just feels like you can help to uplift people and make them feel like, you know, you don't have to just slot in, play whatever music feels like it's going to get you like airtime or whatever. It's just like commit to what you want to do.
E whakapono ana e nei ringa tohu waiata ki tā ngai Māori waihanga waiata hei whakatairanga i te reo me te whakamahi hoki ngā waiata hei pāraha ako.
Those cultural exchanges, they've always been important, but especially with when you have two countries in a similar area with the use of the language, but also pushback within the countries as well against it, it's important for the creative sector to really, you know, stand together and kind of move the use of the languages forward.
I think music's really, like all art form, really is intrinsic to a language being living and thriving and not just being a museum piece, but being something that people are really engaged in and is a living entity.
If you find that you're coming up against roadblocks with creating music in your own language, you know, kind of question who's putting those roadblocks in place and whether those people are actually very necessary. You know, for us, it's like me and our drummer, Kiara, like we're recording engineers. So it's like, you know, if we couldn't find a place to record, we'll just do it ourselves. And that's like, I mean, that's why punk's always appealed to me. And yeah, I just encourage people to do that more.
Ko te tūmanako, ka toi ora e nei reo take e rua, māroto i te ao puoro. Michael Cugley, Te Ao Marama.